Good morning, guys. I want to talk about something that's really poorly understood and oftentimes manipulated by some surgeons, and that is women who have breast implant removal and, whether they have caps removal and the need for a lift after breast implant removal. I would say that there's a lot of women out there who will benefit from having a breast lift after implant removal, but just assuming that you need a breast lift after implant removal is not necessarily true. In fact, there are a lot of women who really don't need a lift. I feel like that is something that's marketed to women as in to say, I'm not going to look good after I have my implants removed. I'm going to be very deflated, but I'll be able to do a breast lift and reshape my breast and everything will turn out great. The truth is that is not true at all. Removing the breast implant by itself will allow the weight to be lifted off the breast and the breast will spring up. And naturally, if you're borderline, you may not need a lift. Number two, a breast lift by itself is a very overrated procedure. Unless we're adding some volume and unless your nipples point to the ground and your breast hangs down significantly, there is very little benefit, and I generally don't recommend that to patients. You will look no different in a bra in that situation if you've had a breast lift or not. So don't be fooled. Don't assume that you need a breast lift just because your implants are being removed. If you have saline implants, we can deflate you and we can see what your breast position will look like. So today I'm doing a breast lift on her and there will be some benefit, but it's not an extremely huge benefit for her. So make sure that you're seeing a real expert, not one that's going to market to you that just cares about the money that they may get from having surgery and playing to your emotional distress of needing implant removal and getting a breast lift before you make that decision and just adding scars and further reducing your breast, because a breast lift is really a breast reduction. Keep that in mind and you'll do great.